Hello everybody, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Pat Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino. Finally some movement in the cryptos. Bitcoin getting above the 64.56 level. Next area we were watching was the 65.09, and right above there was the flat 200 65.23. Spiking up, hitting that 65.23, dropping back down, actually just closing right below the 6,500 level, key round number and GAN level. Now just holding here. We can update these levels now to watch for the next levels higher. So first, pullback levels. This is prior, right in here, prior resistance becoming support with the rotation zone. So we're going to be watching support about 64.40 to 64.16. That's the key support zone. Don't want to close back below 64.16. But a pullback to those levels and a rotation back up is a valid type of entry. On a push above the 200, especially on a closing basis, watch for 65.65, then 66.01, essentially 6,600. Let's check in on that daily chart. Daily chart. Right now we're sitting above the rotation zone. It will be good if we can close above the rotation zone for the bulls, which is about 64.76 area. So watch for a close above 64.76. If you're bullish on Bitcoin. Now, really for the bullish move on the daily chart, we'll be watching for a close above about 65.40 is our key closing level on the daily chart to reinforce the bull case. And above 66.01, the next level above that is a prior retracement level coming in about 6,700. So those are all the key levels you'll be doing. Especially make sure you move up your stops if we hit the 6,600 mark, because that was a prior major resistance there. So just don't count on it going through there. Definitely move up your stops. Switching over to Ethereum, nice explosive move in Ethereum. Spike up, coming to our 205.50 area, then dropping back down, then finally breaking out, spiking through our 207 essential area, then just taking off. When that happens, you start looking for the next bigger levels. So what we were watching for was to see how it would react at 211. Went through that. The next level is 218. You can watch that there's some prior resistance over here, anywhere between about 216 to 218. So that was your next target zone for moving up the stops. Right now, we can get these levels brought up to see how we're going to do. Now, key pullback areas. If you look over here to the left, we have some support right around 210 and then the flat 200. So 209.60 to 210 is the first level of support. If we do fall through there, rising 8's the next area to watch for. So we'll be watching from about, I'm going to say about 207 to about 208, next key area on a pullback. What you don't want to see is it falling all the way back down and closing below 203. That would then be a false breakout. Checking in on the daily chart. Really watch this. Here you see the levels, the upside. Watch this about 221.65 to 222 level. If you're bullish and we get back above 218, that's definitely a key place to move up your stop or take partial profits. Back through there, we'd be watching for 225, but do not ignore this 222 area. We have the still declining 50-day exponential and a prior GAN level, and now a GAN projection level. So you have a 3-level cluster right there. Do not ignore that. So we have for you on Ethereum and Bitcoin, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.